This is certainly an exciting time to be a part of what Lakeland, Tennessee is doing. It is not very often that you get to reimagine a part of your city, and this is a very encouraging first step.
To the sound of cheers, Mayor Roman, Vice Mayor Wright, Commissioner Atkinson, and Commissioner Dial were all on hand, along with city staff and community representatives from the YMCA and the Refuge Church, as we watched Mayor Roman excitedly take the first swing at the building.
On a project of this size, it would be impossible to thank everybody, but thank you to the Board of Commissioners for setting this vision and funding this project. Thank you to the Industrial Development Board volunteers and our economic development team of Dexter Moeller, Al Bright, and everyone that had a helping hand. Thank you so much to the County Commission, and especially Mick Wright for always being our regional champion. Thank you to the city manager, Michael Walker, and all of city staff that work so hard and continue to work hard on redeveloping the Lakeland Gateway. But thank you most of all to the citizens of Lakeland. Without your support, this would not be possible.
In the coming months, we'll continue to turn our attention to our next major project. Even as we continue to plan, review, work with, and move toward an eventual Lakeland Recreation Center operated by the YMCA.